Welcome to another episode on our channel. So you've seen these things before. This is a caterpillar, a butterfly, and a flower that was made out of HVAC and computer hard drive components that we salvaged at one point in time. And I think they came out quite well. Recently saw a 3D puzzle I put together, which was the rhinoceros beetle. Really had fun putting it together, so I was tempted to get another 3D puzzle, and we will be back and I will show you what that looks like. So what I was able to put together was a butterfly. And it was made by or produced by Mech Faction, and came with lots of little bags, instructions, some tools, and I have to say the instructions were not as good as the rhinoceros beetle. So you had instructions to put the stand together, the butterfly itself, and it had 1 through, 13 little bags. That part was good. So each bag had a section that you would put together as one piece, and then you'd move on to another section. But on the instructions, there were times when you had like pieces that were labeled as a number and a letter, but it wasn't really numbered and or lettered on the item itself. You just had to look at like number 1. If your bag was 1, look at number 1 and then look at the pieces and how they go together. So the letters and numbers just really didn't make any sense. You just follow the pictures, and periodically it was ambiguous as to how things actually went together. But eventually, it all worked out in the end. And I was a happy camper. So let me tell you something about butterflies. A lot of things about butterflies that I actually didn't know until a few minutes ago when I was preparing for this episode. So butterflies actually taste things with their feet. Who knew? And they have 6,000 lenses in their eyes. They were thought to be deaf at one time, but in 1912, ears were discovered. They have 4 wings, 2 on each side. And when they fly, they move in a figure 8 kind of configuration. So that's how they fly. They consume nectar. They're pollinators. They consume nectar. They don't excrete anything because they use everything up for energy, apparently. So from an egg to a butterfly, it may take a few weeks to several months for that process to take place. Once the caterpillar makes its cocoon and it's completed, it may take 10 to 14 days for the butterfly to show up. So it's a time process, but they don't live that long. They live a few weeks. But they're beautiful, obviously. All different colors and sizes. They range from a 1/2 inch to 12 inches in terms of, from one end of the wing to the other. They can be beautifully colored, but their wings technically are translucent. It's the scales on the wings that give it their vibrant colors. They're cold-blooded and can only fly when their body temperatures are warm enough to fly. So that can range from 55 degrees all the way up to 85 degrees. But if it's too cold, they can't fly. If you see them in a group, they can be called flutter. So a group can be known as flutter, or interestingly enough, kaleidoscope, which reminds you of the beautiful colors and the symmetry with the colors that are here. I'm not sure if I forgot anything else. The speed, they can range, I don't know if I said it, but they can fly as fast as 5 miles, a range of 5 miles to 12 miles an hour. And I think that's pretty much it in terms of interesting tidbits. I'm sure there's much more than that in terms of butterflies. Yeah. But I guess what shocked me is they taste with their feet, 6,000 lenses in their eyes. I knew they consume nectar or liquid items from flowers and so forth. I knew that part, but I had no idea that they didn't excrete anything. So everything is used up. Probably not unlike a hummingbird that has to consume a lot because they're using a lot of energy all the time. It's just a shame they don't live very long. So this is interesting. This butterfly is interesting in that it's actually a music box. So it has a switch on here, and I'll let you hear it. It's actually quite a nice song. So what we'll do is pause, get it on a tray so that we can see from the bottom all the way up to the top. I'll try to angle it in such a way so we can get more details on the butterfly, and then turn it on as it goes around with the rotating tray so you can see it from all angles. So we'll be right back. I forgot to mention it has a USB port, so you can actually charge up the music box and keep it running. So we'll just kind of move slightly up so you can see the butterfly. It's a lot of components on this thing. It took a few hours to put together, but I find it kind of relaxing to do this sort of thing. There was some wrapping, clear translucent wrapping on the wings to protect the wings from being damaged. You just have to make sure you peel those off. But it turned out very nicely. We'll pause now and get it on a rotating tray so you can kind of maybe see different angles. If I can elevate it like this, I think that would be best. So here's the butterfly in full motion. And hopefully you can get a better look at what it looks like from all sides. It was quite an ordeal to put it together. It took several hours, but once you got it together and it works, there's just a good feeling. So here's one last look at our 3D puzzle mechanized butterfly, along with something we put together on our own out of things that we had salvaged from other things. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.